I'm Tanmay Kumar. I work for Yum Brands, as was introduced. Uh, Prior to Yum, I've worked in FMCG for about 8-9 years with PepsiCo, and then moved on to restaurant industry. Uh, for Yum, I was looking after business strategy and business planning for a couple of years, and then I moved on to business development. Today, I'm part of an exciting journey that we are on in India to build more than 1,000 stores that by 2015 across all the three brands that we've got, which is KFC, Pizza Hut, and Taco Bell. There are pros and cons to both. Now, our approach, and I'll just share my experience here, has been to follow almost a very robust science around how one is going to expand. Now, that's got to do with how well can we structure ourselves and therefore support the operations, how well is the business opportunity, and that there are multitude of factors here. Samir shared the big opportunity that is there across smaller cities where there are phenomenal rental advantages. There is an extremely great benefit that one can get in terms of pent-up demand that is there for the restaurant chains in these smaller cities, and therefore generate a massive business out of it. However, the flip side of it is lots in terms of the complexity that one adds, and therefore there is a kind of phasing that is to be followed when one grows. One has to grow to a certain scale at a certain location to be able to grow a operation structure, for example, to be able to have a right vendor base, to be able to have a right supply chain in place, and then grow from there on. So those are the preliminary thoughts, and then we can build from here. On the ingredient side, one other trend that I see personally, which would emerge as the chains grow, would be RTUs, which is ready to use sauces, ingredients, etc. Because as you are growing and building more and more restaurants, some of the key elements in the core that you want to keep consistent, and then there the RTU and therefore our industry linked to it becomes a big player there. Consistency of how the restaurant looks, how the food is, how the service is, and so long as we are able to maintain that, we are true to our brand promise. One of the things that, of course, to add to his point is on how when you build a brand and which you want to scale up is, the only key question when people are actually starting a brand is to ask is not necessarily about how better you are, but to say how different you are. And that is very important for building a new concept.